Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at BlackRock EA, an expert advisor developed for MetaTrader 4 based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is an MT4 trading robot currently priced at 299 US dollars. The developer is Evgeny Flipov, and the version shown here is version 1.1, which was updated on May 27th, 2023. Starting with the marketplace overview, the developer describes BlackRock EA as a multi-currency expert advisor designed to work across multiple trading pairs. The product page specifically mentions that it has shown good performance on Euro CHF, GBP USD, and other currency pairs, although users are encouraged to test the EA themselves on any symbols they intend to trade. As I continue through the description, one of the key requirements highlighted by the developer is trading environment quality. The EA is intended to operate with a broker offering minimal spreads, preferably an ECN account, along with a fast VPS connection. The product page also stresses the importance of maintaining very low latency between the trading platform and the broker for proper operation. Another important point is the recommended deposit, which starts from $50 per symbol being traded. The developer also clearly states that the EA should be installed and tested only on the M15 time frame, making time frame selection a critical part of the setup process. Now, when looking at the available information, there aren't many technical details provided regarding the actual entry or exit methodology. The marketplace description focuses more on operational requirements and trading conditions rather than the specific logic behind trade execution. Because of that, it's important not to make assumptions about the underlying strategy beyond what the developer has shared. Okay, moving over to the backtesting option, the backtesting section, the developer strongly recommends running your own strategy tests before using the EA on any currency pair. Particular attention should be given to spread conditions, as the description repeatedly notes that lower spreads are important for the EA's performance. Okay, you can see pay attention to the minimum spread on those pairs. The smaller it is, the better the expert advisor will do its job. Okay, so now let us see the provided report here. Okay, this doesn't seem to be in English. All right, but I'm just going to, I can see that this should be the profit generated from $100 deposit, if I'm not mistaken. But then looking at the balance and equity curve, it looks pretty smooth, steady growth, and this also looks pretty smooth. But let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA performed in 2026. All right, let's see how the expert advisor performed over the past 3 months. Okay, so I tested the BlackRock EA on Euro CHF, which was one of the mentioned currency pairs, and I tested it on the M15 time frame as recommended. I also used the every tick modeling, and I'm testing it over the past 3 months, even though that 3 months is not really sufficient enough to make a conclusion about an expert advisor, but just for want of time. So if you're interested in this EA, I will recommend that you actually test it over a longer period of time, to be able to capture a wider range of market conditions and get a more comprehensive result. So looking at the reports now, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was 4 cents, according to what is shown here. Largest profit was 4 cents, just one trade taken. Average profit 4 cents, of course, because it's just one trade taken. And then let me just quickly look at the journal as well. Okay, volume limit exceeded, volume limit exceeded. Let's just quickly turn on the visual mode, and I'm also going to just increase the deposit here. All right, so I want us to see the EA in action. So we can see the dashboard here showing the balance, showing free margin, showing lots, max spread, spread, risk, and this should be the amount earned. So when reviewing historical testing results and chart activity, the main takeaway is that testing should be performed on the intended trading pairs under realistic broker conditions. So if you are really interested in this expert advisor, you should test it on the currency pair that you intend to trade the expert advisor on. All right, so do not just test it across any random currency pair. You should test it on the currency pair that you are, really interested in. And I would recommend that you might also, if you have a couple of pairs that you are interested in, you can test it across all of them, and test it over a longer period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can be able to see how the EA performs over that long period of time and get a more comprehensive result. Okay, so since spread sensitivity appears to be a major factor, evaluating results across different brokers and market environments can provide a more complete picture of how the EA may behave. I'd also recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a broader understanding of the EA's historical behavior across varying market conditions rather than relying solely on just shorter testing periods like what I did in this particular back testing. Now, as with any automated trading system, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Actual results can vary depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization performed by the user. All right. So overall, BlackRock EA is presented as a multi-currency MT4 expert advisor with a strong emphasis on low spreads, fast execution, and proper VPS connectivity. So if you are considering it, taking the time to perform your own testing and optimization on your preferred pairs and broker environment will be a sensible next step before moving into live trading. Okay, so I can see that as we have the visuals running, the expert advisor had already executed a trade, and in this case it was 4 trades executed. All right, but like I said, I would recommend that you test this EA on your preferred currency pair. Actually, these errors that seem to be coming out, I'm not exactly sure what the errors are for. It may, but let me just do a very quick test right now. Okay, I'm just going to go to Euro USD. All right, let's see. Here is Euro USD now. Okay. I'm just trying to see if I'm still gonna have. I think I've skipped Euro USD. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I'm still gonna have an error message if I try a different currency pair. Okay, let me just turn off the visual so that it can be fast. All right. Okay, so here now I'm having 19 mismatched errors. Okay, so guys, I think these errors might actually have something to do with I don't know if it is from the expert advisor or if it is from the assets being traded or whatever, because in this case we can see total trades are reaching 142 and the mismatched errors dropped significantly to 19 as I tested Euro USD. All right, so guys, this is it for this EA. And overall, this EA is presented as a multi-currency MT4 expert advisor with a strong emphasis on low spreads, fast execution, and proper VPS connectivity. So if you are considering it, taking the time to perform your own testing and optimization on your preferred pairs and broker environment will be a sensible next step before moving into live trading. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.